Hello everyone. In this video, I will be taking you through how the Tours and Travels module works, its key features, and how it helps managing tours, bookings, and customer interactions all in one place. First, the module provides a real-time dashboard to track the key metrics like number of the packages created, what are all the bookings, confirmed bookings, done trips, cancellations that is done, popular seasons, destinations, revenue breakdown, and the statistics of domestic and international trips. Let's start with the core of this module, creating tours and packages. So before that, we can uh, go through the configuration first. We can easily create different types of travel packages, whether it is a single trip or a group trip, domestic, international. So all of that we can configure out over here, and the guides registrations, we can simply create a guide and their destinations, what are their specialities, all the personal details of the guides. We can configure that, and in regardless, we can manage the tour destinations, terms and conditions, amenities, the payment policies, and the tour direction policies. If any tour discounts are there, that also, and the agent commission, invoices, insurance type, and customer feedback. So there are several things that we can manage in the configuration. So these are all the configurations that first we have to make. Now, while we create a tour, we define the important details such as the start date, end date, what are all the available seats, what is the total seats, so, and the available adult cost per person, child cost per person, and for that available seat, it automatically deducts after each booking that has been confirmed. And also, while creating a tour, before creating a tour, we can configure the hotel, transportation, visa, passport, and insurance. These services are managed through vendors, so we interact with them for each booking, but do not directly book from the system. So this the in this configuration we can manage what are all the rooms that they are providing, what are all the meals plan. So this will gives a rough idea of to the customers that are planning to travel. And there is a transport in the transportation as well, it will be giving all the details such as which is the service providers, what are all the carriers, what is the transportation type. So from the dates, the costing price, and the sales price of each transportation methods. So all of this we can keep it in our backend, and whenever a customer requires a hotel booking or a transportation booking while in this tour, then we can have a look into that, and we can help them to sort out the hotel booking and the transportation booking, insurance, and passport, visa as well. So now let's go to the tour creation first, and let's say this is a tour creation, and after confirmation we will be able to publish it in our website. So if we publish it in our website, the customers can directly come from the website, and they can inquire about these tours. So now I have created a tour with a tour program. What is the day one itineraries? So we can give that. What is the destination? If there is any cost included activities and cost excluded activities are there. The hotel information. So everything I will be having under that tour creation part. Now, when a customer makes an inquiry from the website, so here we have the tour booking, and under that all of the tools which has been published into the website, it will be shown in here. And if we see the details, all the details such as what is the itinerary plans, everything will be there. And when we click on the inquire now, we will be able to create an inquiry regarding this package to the CRM. I'll just and we can put the number of adults and the number of child that they will be traveling. So all of the details we gave it over here will fetch to the, and the travel date we can give what are all the possible travel dates that we can have. So I'm just putting up some dates. After submitting this, it will go for the CRM, which will automatically create a lead over here. So the salesperson can then follow up, and if the customer confirms that we can convert this into opportunity, and we can proceed with creating a new customer, and we can proceed with the bookings. So from this, from here itself, from the CRM itself, we can create a booking for this particular customer. So once we click on the create booking, we have to provide a salesperson as it is a lead. Once we click on the create booking, it automatically creates a booking under the tour creations. So now we have TB012, and we can check it in the tours. Under the tour booking, here you can see there is one draft booking is there. So we can fill out the salesperson details and what is the medium of this query. Everything will be there, and who is the what is the number of persons that is traveling. Now we can fill up the necessary details to move with this particular query. And we can provide what is the tour type this particular customer is looking for. And if you want to put any kind of discounts, we can provide that. So just going with anniversary discount, tour dates, tour package. Let's say it's a budget trip. Payment policy, if it is the payment policy is immediate payment, once we click on that invoice, it will be completely fully payable at that time. If take the 15 days, like the 50 percentage of this amount has to be paid on the first booking, on the booking date, and the other 50 percentage we can provide it before the tour date. So I'm just going with the 15 days, and we can choose the guide. Now we can put the customer details, like whoever will be traveling, that we can fill it over here. So I have put out two customer details, and I'm just saving this. Upon saving, what are all the details that we having, like if we want to provide them the hotel support, the transportation booking support, the visa support, this is the insurance, and this is the passport. So what are all the things that we are providing for this particular trip, it will be automatically ticked. And if we don't want, we can just untick that. So for this two customer, we are going to do the hotel booking, transportation, and visa processing. So upon confirmation, we can create a quotation, and upon booking seats, we will be getting the hotel, transport, visa booking in draft. So we have to uh, confirm it one by one. So now when it comes to the hotel reservation, let me check the tour starting date. We have to give the check-in date, so it will be based on the tour date. So if we give a later date or a previous date, it will give an error. So the checkout date, I will put it like this. And confirm. So now we have sent to the approval from the hotel, and after getting the approval only, then we will be able to provide the room name. So we got the approval, and upon confirming booking, we haven't allocated the room number. So we have to provide the room numbers to them. Now we have only provided rooms for one, so we have to provide the same number for each type, each customer. Now we can confirm booking. If we provide different room numbers, it will give a validation error. So now issuing ticket done. So the hotel booking is completed, and now we can go for that transportation. So in the transportation, similar to hotel, we have to provide the journey date as per the to start date, so that we will be able to provide the booking. In this, we will be having the PNR and the carrier numbers, as it is a transportation. Okay, now we can just confirm this. Sending to transport approval. We got the approval from transport, so we have the same stages similar to this. So before confirming booking, we have to allocate the seat numbers 12 and 23. So I'm just giving different numbers because we need two seats as there is two customers. Confirm booking, ticket issued, and done. So now the transportation is also done. Now we can check for the visa. So in the visa, it will be created as two for the same booking reference. For each customers, it will be different. So for this particular customer, we can confirm this. So there is nothing that we have to do. Like we have to just give the necessary details, such as the currently I'm providing a URL. Let's try with this. Confirm. Verify document. Approval by officers. Send to visa office. And for the visa, we have to do the payment first. Visa. So now it is done for one person, and we have to do it for the other. Okay, we have to put the document. I haven't attached any documents. So if you want to add any kind of pictures, we can go with the file. So for now, I'm using the URL. Okay, now all of these things are done, and now we can check the payment, and it will be creating one invoice, sales and invoice over there. So once we click on that, it is found that the sale order is not confirmed yet. So we can check the sales. In the sales order, you will be able to see the details, such as what is the trip details, and the hotel booking services, the transportation booking, everything. It will be automatically fetched over here. Now we can confirm this, and the total amount is 27,000. Now the payment terms is 15 days. Upon creating the invoice, confirming that, and over the payment, once we are doing the payment, it will fetch only the partial amount, as we have chosen the 15 days of payment. Or else, if we want to pay the full amount, we can just click on that, and it will fetch all the amount. If you want to do it in installments, it will create two invoices for this one. So I'm just going with the full payment, and upon creating payment, now it is in paid state. Now we can go and click on done. So now the book tour booking process has been completed. So this is the complete process of tour booking. And uh, then here we have tour cancellation processes there. For the tour cancellation, we just have to choose what is the tour booking ID, and upon saving, all of the details will be automatically fetched, and the amount, the total amount what we have to pay to them, it will be automatically found based on the tour deduction policy. If the tour deduction policy is 10%, that is why the amount has been reduced like that. So we just have to request the process. Upon refunding payment, we will be able to see what are all the booking charges, what is the deducted amount, what is the refunded amount, everything in detail over here. And upon creating the credit note, we will be able to do that. So now I'll just go for the reporting part. And in this MIS reporting section, you will be able to see the tour booking revenue, where you can see the complete revenue of this each tours that we have created. And if you want to see the pivot chart, we will be able to see it like this. And for the salesperson, we can just filter it like that. And under the reporting, this is the lead conversion ratio, hotel booking, what is the specific hotel that is the customer prefers, and transportation bookings, what is the salesperson conversion ratio, what is the booking source, if it is website, if it is anything else. And for the feedback, so for 4-star rating and 5-star rating is there. For the feedback, we can go to the website, the customer can put their feedback from the website itself. Now we'll be able to get only the previous date as it is a feedback. So we have, would you recommend to us, would you recommend us to others? So this is a yes or no questions. And also, if we can get the feedback, like can we publish it on their website? So that also we can do. And if they want to share their experience as a photo, we can choose multiple photos from here. And what is the experience? Good. And we can provide the rating. So I'm just going with the 5-star rating and submitting the feedback. So now I have submitted a feedback, and in the backend, when we check the backend, it will be appeared over there. So from this, if you want to upload this picture, this feedback on the website, we can just click on that, and it will be published in the website part. And then the feedback, you can see the publish. It will be published in that feedback. And one more useful feature is a real-time flight search integration, which is Amadeus integration. And in this, we can just configure the Amadeus instances and all the airports. So what are all the airline informations? Everything, it will be automatically fetched, and it will automatically refresh based on the API. So we can check the real-time availability of flight from the website as well. So this will help the customers from, and also from the backend as well, to get up-to-date availability, which simplifies the travel planning even further. So if you want to check for any other thing, so we can just explore it from here. So that is a quick overview of the tours and travels module. It's a fully integrated solutions for managing the tour operations, from planning, booking, vendor coordination, post-trip feedbacks, and the reportings, the MIS reporting. So that's all about this module. Thank you for watching.